Hello students, how are you all today? I hope you all are doing great and staying indoors. I'm sure you must be enjoying these online sessions. Well, in today's session, we will look at some more exercises related to this poem. So, let us quickly begin with it. First, match the names of the helpers with the things they use. Students, in this exercise, what we have to do is we will match the names of different helpers with the items they use in their daily lives. So, can you think of the answer? Can you recognize the items that they use? Well, let us take a look at the answers. Yes, that's right. We match the baker with the chef's cap, which is white in color. Next, we match policeman with the brown cap that they wear with their uniform every day. A teacher usually teaches lessons from a book, so we match teacher with book. Next, we match the barber with scissors, as the barber uses scissors to cut and trim our hair, as it makes us look neat and tidy. And last, we match the doctor with stethoscope so the doctor can listen to our heartbeat. Well, students, let me tell you an interesting fact. Did you know that a farmer, a janitor, a soldier, and fruit seller are helpers too? I'm sure that you all know how farmers, soldiers, and fruit sellers help us. But do you know who a janitor is? Any guesses? Let me tell you. A janitor is a person who takes care of buildings such as schools, offices, malls, etc. A janitor keeps it clean so that people who work in those buildings remain healthy. That was interesting, wasn't it? Moving on, now we are going to study a new topic called comprehension. Students, a comprehension means a passage that is given to you and you have to answer some questions based on the passage. So, what we are going to do is we are quickly going to read a small letter written by Minnie to her grandfather and we will answer the questions that are asked. Let us begin. Read this letter that Minnie wrote to her grandfather. Dear Grandpa, I hope you are well. Last week I went to my new class, class 1A. I made 3 new friends. My teacher is very kind. There is a big playground in my school. There are many plants in my school. The gardener looks after them. I hope you will be able to visit my school one day. Your loving granddaughter, Minnie. So, did you understand? A little girl named Minnie wrote a letter to her grandpa. So, answer these questions in 1 or 2 words. Now, we will answer some questions based on the letter that Minnie wrote to her grandpa. First question. Whom did Minnie write the letter to? Students, We just read that Minnie wrote a letter to her grandpa. So we will answer it as Minnie wrote the letter to her grandpa. Very good. Next question. Which class is Minnie in? Students, do you remember which class is Minnie in? Yes, that's right. Minnie is in class 1A. Let's look at another question. How many new friends has Minnie made? Students, in the letter written to her grandpa, Minnie told her grandpa that she has made 3 new friends. So, the correct answer is Minnie has made 3 new friends. And last question, who looks after the plants in her school? Well, students, let me tell you, a gardener is a person who looks after plants. And she also told her grandfather that the gardener looks after the plants in her school. So, the correct answer is the gardener looks after the plants. Well, I'm sure you all have understood what a comprehension is. Go through this session once again so that you can easily solve the worksheet that will be given to you after this. Till then, stay home and stay safe.